and welcome to IPC Apex Expo 2023. It's day 2. I'm joined by Michael from Green Circuits. Thanks for coming over.
Thank you very much for having us.
How was yesterday? I mean, it seemed very busy from where we were.
It's substantially more busy than last year. We saw a lot more activity. We're here predominantly to look at equipment and assets we want to bring into our business. So the number of displays, the conversation, seeing both our competitors and even some customers out here, it's been a good thing.
Yeah. And actually, it's the first time we spoke, so just give me a good overview of Green Circuits.
Absolutely. Green Circuits is we do design, prototype, and what I would characterize as pilot and specialty production, right. Going into highly technical applications such as space, defense, medical, and we've got the certifications that support that. We do quite a bit of NPI and highly complicated boards.
Right.
And we found that our customers need help bridging between early stage and then ultimately production. So we do a lot of work in that area as well.
And I guess as you've got a lot of experience in that area, you bring a lot to bear on for those individual clients.
We have a fantastic operating team, and our engineering team, our management, our operators, Mark Evans, our CEO, has done a marvelous job of getting the facility lean, fast, and able to execute. We've gotten extraordinary feedback from our customers.
Yeah, good. Yeah. And it takes time and experience to be able to do that, doesn't it?
It does.
To drive something like that, because it's a very specific niche area, isn't it?
It is, and we have a deeply experienced crew. We've got 5 lines. We have about 160 employees. We're located in one facility. We have established. We've set up training room to help build capability in the organization. Yeah. We've built real attachment in our culture. We've got a group that stays with us and continues to grow.
Yeah.
Celebrate our successes together.
Yeah.
And it's worked quite well.
Well, it's good, and it's we spend a lot of time talking about automation, how we can take sort of de-skill certain areas, but it's nice to hear someone talking about investing in the people in the business. To be honest.
You have to. Even with automation, it allows us to do more with less, but we still want our people, our talent. And last year was a great year for us. We expect to see a great year next year as well, this year. Right.
That's good, yeah. And it helps you retain staff, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You build up a set of skills there that is really important.
We have a very, very loyal and passionate employee base.
That's good, yeah.
Thrilled.
So what are you looking at a show like this? I mean, it's great to feel like we're back to normal and, you can actually see, like you say, you can see some of the competition, you can see, things, talk to people about what's actually coming out on the horizon sort of thing.
I think when we come to a show like this, we're really interested in seeing what the new technologies are, things that are going to help us serve our customers better. Their needs continue to move fast and evolve as they look for new technologies, and we're trying to match up with what their requirements are.
Yeah.
We also look at upgrading our existing equipment as our equipment ages out, expanding our capabilities. We do a great deal of test and rework, so we want to be able to amplify and support the types of things we're doing there. And then I think the other piece is an opportunity to network with others in our industry, whether they're on the supply side, and we've seen some customers walking the floor, and we can have a collaborative conversation and look at assets, equipment, and talk about what we can do for them with these things, and that helps us put our capital plan together.
Yeah. And do you find have sort of attitudes changed a bit, that it's much more like, no, here's our machine kind of thing, whereas now here's our machine, how can we make it work better for you?
Yes. Yeah, we see a bit of that, and when we talk to our customers about where they're going, particularly because we go across several industries, they have slightly different requirements, and so it makes us have to be agile in how our application on equipment and how we serve our markets.
Yeah. And I guess one of the toughest things for you must be workflow and scheduling. If everything is fast, prototyping, and even if you're producing a short run of materials, working in that end must be.
We have buffer capacity, and we do spend a lot of time every week. We talk about the plan, we talk about the schedule. We have a true SNOP meeting or SIOP, depending on your background, where we have sales, we have the production planners, we have Our PMs, we have everybody in the room. We talk about what's coming, what we need to react to, what are the immediate drop-ins. We have a customer that wants a same-day turn. Where does that fit? So it's an active conversation.
Yeah. No, it's pretty exciting. Well, I hope the show is fruitful for you.
Yes.
And thanks for sparing time to talk to us.
It's been a real pleasure. Thank you. And it's great to meet you.
Good to meet you. Thank you.
Thanks.